Hello my dear students of class 3. Okay, today we will continue with our same chapter, chapter number 5, every drops counts. Okay, so in previous class we were studying about the water cycle and why do we need water. So today we will start with the sources of water. Okay, water from oceans and seas cannot be used for drinking. So why we cannot drink water from oceans and seas? Because it is too salty. Okay, so we need to drink fresh water. Okay, even if you are drinking water from the tap, what do? We boil that water and we drink. So we must drink fresh water. And what are the two main sources of water? Two sources of fresh water is, number one is the rainwater and another one is the melting snow in the mountains. Okay, so rainwater is collected in ponds, tanks, lakes and in other water bodies. Okay, some of this rainwater is absorbed in the ground, underneath the ground. Some of the rainwater are absorbed underneath the ground in form of wells, tube wells and hand pumps. Understood? You have seen, I think, in plain area, most of them they use the wells. They take out the water from wells, or they use the hand pump. So all this process, all this water, all this rainwater that has kept underneath the ground are called ground waters. Okay, so next one is clean water. River get polluted especially when it passes through the cities. Why this river get polluted when it passes through the cities? Because who is responsible? We the people, we human beings, we ourselves, we are responsible for making the water dirty. Why? People throw waste. That is true. People throw garbages in the river. You have seen even in our area, people are throwing garbages here and there. So in the plain areas, what do they do? People, they throw garbages on the river. What the waste product in the river, the waste product coming out from factories, okay, all are they throw that in the river. So in this way we cannot drink the water that is in the river, that are river water. Okay, even if we drink, what do? We get sick. Okay, we get diseases. Okay, so thus water need to be purified. So before drinking, what do? We purify the water. Why? How do we purify the water? By boiling it. Simply by boiling it. In today's world, we have so many water purifiers at home. Even most of you have water purifiers. So what do? You take that, you put the tap water inside that water purifier, and that water purifier purifies the water that we can be able to drink that water. So in this way we can drink the water. Understood? So we cannot drink the water that are in oceans. Understood? We need to drink pure and fresh water. Okay, so the last one is water is precious. Why water is precious? Okay, we human being, we cannot live without water. Yes, even for one day also we cannot live for water. We need water in every step. Understood? We need water for cooking, we need water for taking bath, we need water for so many things, washing clothes, washing dishes at home. So without water we cannot live. Okay, although 3/4 of the earth is covered with water, most of it cannot be used. So we know that out of 4 parts, 3 parts of the earth is covered by water, but we cannot drink that. We cannot drink that water. Okay, so in many villages, even in our villages, we see nowadays, even in today's world, we see there in some places there are scarcity of water. That means people are carrying water. They are traveling around 10-20 minutes distance to get a jar of water. Understood? So even in today's world there is scarcity of water. So it is important not to waste water. So we should not waste water. What do? Sometimes when we are brushing our teeth, we let the tap open. So in this way, what are we doing? We are misusing the water. So whenever we are taking bath, whenever we are washing anything, whenever we are brushing our teeth, after brushing, you just need to close the tap. Okay, so whenever you need, you just open the tap. In this way we are preserving the water, we are saving the water. Understood? So while brushing teeth, taking bath, washing and cleaning clothes or car, watering plants, etc., rainwater harvesting is a good way to store water. So that means whenever there is rainwater, whenever there is rain, you can collect that rainwater and store it in one place. So that can be used in your future further for washing clothes, anything that whenever there is scarcity of water. So in this way we can use the rainwater harvesting. So rainwater harvesting is one of the methods of storing the water, in which way we can preserve the water. Like we preserve our environment, we have plantation day also. In the same way we can preserve our water. Understood? So with this, we have come to the end of this chapter. So in next class, we shall be doing Amazing India. Okay. So till then, my dear students, stay home and stay safe.